Why is Boldt Castle's craftsmanship so unique? Imagine a castle built over 100 years ago that still captures everyone's imagination today. That's what makes Boldt Castle stand out. Its craftsmanship is truly one of a kind. Built starting in 1900 by George C. Boldt, a wealthy hotel owner, it was meant to be a grand summer home and a tribute to his wife Louise. The project involved about 300 skilled workers, including stonemasons, carpenters, and artists. They created a 6-story, 120-room castle filled with amazing features. Think tunnels, a powerhouse, Italian gardens, a drawbridge, a children's playhouse called the Alster Tower, and even a dove cote. Every detail was carefully crafted, and no expense was spared. The goal was to rival European castles, all built in the scenic Thousand Islands area of the St. Lawrence River. What makes the craftsmanship so special is the size and complexity of the castle. It was not just a home but a symbol of love and luxury. The builders used high-quality materials and traditional techniques, blending art with structural innovation. They reshaped the island into a heart shape, adding a romantic touch to the design. The castle was also ahead of its time with advanced technology, making it the most impressive and tech-savvy home in the region back then. Construction stopped suddenly in 1900 after Louise Boldt died unexpectedly. The unfinished castle was left exposed to harsh weather and vandalism for over 70 years. Despite this long neglect, the surviving craftsmanship remains remarkable. The castle has endured the elements and required extensive restoration. Since 1977, the Thousand Islands Bridge Authority has invested millions of dollars to restore and preserve it. They worked hard to keep the original craftsmanship and architectural details intact, so visitors can still experience its historic beauty. From the perspective of New York State, Boldt Castle is a cultural treasure. Its craftsmanship is celebrated for its artistic and architectural value. It also plays a big role in promoting tourism and preserving regional history. Restoring and opening the castle to the public shows New York's dedication to maintaining important landmarks. It highlights the state's rich history and natural beauty. Visiting Boldt Castle gives you a chance to see early 20th century luxury craftsmanship firsthand. It's a living example of traditional masonry, carpentry, and landscape design. The castle also supports local tourism and gives people a chance to appreciate historic preservation. Its unique craftsmanship continues to inspire admiration for quality building and design in New York State.